Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a very special vehicle here. They tried to pull a fast one. Whoever did this, they tried to hide something from us. But not for nothing, we see all. We're going to look around real quick. I just want to show you. You ever heard of a three-piece suit? Well, not for nothing, we got a three-piece belt here. 1, 2, 3. Vehicle has just over 100K on it. We've seen this vehicle before. And I really just want to take it up top to show you the big-ass elephant that's in the room. So you know what comes next. Let's take it up top. We're not even all the way up yet, guys. And I just want to show you the brake line that if you look at it the wrong way, it's going to start pissing down on me. So let's get it all the way up. These guys even went as far as freaking spraying the rim and spraying over the flavor. This is only a sign to come. Let's get it all the way up. Now that we have taken it all the way up, we could see the extreme flavor. We could see that the brake pad is only touching this portion of the rotor. We can't see the backing plate because it's non-existent. We can see all of this corrosion on the brakes, on the lines. And these guys coated the undercarriage of the vehicle with wax oil or whatever it is. Yeah, you can see these rotors are junk. They're junk. We got some French junk here. This is probably the best thing for this vehicle, and it didn't happen soon enough because, you know, the self-lubricating chassis system actually takes care of the chassis. Well, we can see, look at this diff mount. It's not centered whatsoever. The further we look, we don't even have to go back. Look at the steering rack. The rack is falling apart in its mounted position. The axles, same thing. We're looking at all this corrosion. Now let's go to the elephant in the room, because somebody mudded the frame. They used body filler to fill the holes of the frame, and we could see. I took senior ball peen and we knocked some of the filler off. The other side is even worse. You can almost see how thick they mudded this frame. There was probably a hole all the way throughout here, and even here. As we could see, my finger's going through, and the exhaust hanger is just barely hanging on. Go a little further back. I'm not supposed to be able to move the frame by hand, nor am I supposed to be able to stick a hammer right through this minor cross member. So we did condemn this frame last visit, and it was not in this condition before. There were plenty of holes, and they decided to mud over it. So we're going further back, and we could see the corrosion that has been painted over. We could see that there's no parking brake operation on either side. Looks like they filled it in even more here with some mud, and then they painted over it. Can't believe these vehicles are on the road, and there are people actually doing this. There's a reason for state inspections. This spare tire, barely holding air. But say something nice about the vehicle, guys, in the comments. Anything nice. That oil pan leak is the best thing for this car right now. But honestly, the really best thing for this car is to freaking drive it off a short pier and let it become a coral reef. Horrible. I can't believe this. But I'm going to say this right now. You can't hide this from me. I'll see it. I'll most definitely see this. You can't hide this from me. I'll find it. Oh, great googly moogly. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further flavor.